Welcome to my channel. In today's video, we'll talk about 7 weeks pregnancy symptoms, what changes you may feel in your body, important tips for a healthy pregnancy, and how your baby is developing inside the womb at this stage. Stay tuned for helpful information and guidance for your pregnancy journey. 7 weeks pregnancy symptoms, tips and baby's development. Welcome to the 7th week of your pregnancy journey. Stepping into your 7th week of pregnancy is an exciting milestone filled with both physical changes and emotional anticipation. Your baby is growing rapidly, and your body is working hard to support this incredible development. While it may still be early in your journey, this stage plays a crucial role in laying the foundation for a healthy pregnancy. At 7 weeks pregnant, you may start to notice new symptoms such as morning sickness, breast tenderness, frequent urination, and mood swings. These changes are completely normal and are signs that your body is adjusting to support your baby's growth. It's also common to feel a mix of emotions, joy, anxiety, and even fear, as you prepare for the changes ahead. Rest assured, you're not alone. In this blog, we'll walk you through everything you need to know about this week, from common 7-week pregnancy symptoms to practical tips for managing discomfort and staying healthy. Most excitingly, we'll explore the fascinating transformation happening inside your womb. Your baby is now the size of a blueberry and is beginning to take on more human features like arms, legs, and a beating heart. Whether you are a first-time mom or adding to your growing family, understanding what to expect can help you feel more confident and connected during this beautiful stage of pregnancy. Let's dive into what week 7 has in store for you and your baby. 7-week pregnancy symptoms. Hormonal changes continue to affect your body during the 7th week of pregnancy. Symptoms can vary greatly from person to person, but here are some common ones you may experience. Morning sickness. This is a common time to experience nausea and vomiting, also known as morning sickness. It can happen at any time of day and is usually quite strong. Fatigue. Your body is working hard to support the growing embryo, so you may feel tired and need more rest. Breast changes. Hormonal changes preparing your breasts for milk production may cause them to feel tender, swollen, or heavier. Frequent urination. Increased blood flow to the kidneys and growing uterus can cause you to need to use the restroom more frequently during this time. Food aversions and cravings. You may experience an aversion to some foods or a craving for others. Hormonal fluctuations are the cause of these changes. Mood swings. Hormone fluctuations can cause emotional highs and lows, as well as increased sensitivity and mood swings. Constipation. Some women experience constipation as a result of hormonal fluctuations and slowed digestion. Advice on managing symptoms. During this time, handling and managing your pregnancy symptoms can help you feel more at ease and generally better. Eating nutritiously. Prioritize eating a diet full of whole grains, fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and balance. Blood sugar levels can be stabilized and nausea can be managed by eating small, frequent meals throughout the day. Maintaining hydration. Staying hydrated is important for supporting general health and relieving constipation. Drink lots of water to accomplish this. Proper rest and relaxation. Remain calm and attentive to your body. Take a nap when you are feeling exhausted. Due to the physical demands of pregnancy, getting enough sleep is essential. Dealing with morning sickness. You can ease nausea by drinking ginger tea or eating ginger candies. Symptoms may also be lessened by eating small, frequent meals and staying away from strong smells or triggers. Put on a supportive bra. Tender breasts can be lessened by wearing a supportive bra that is comfortable. Light exercise. Mild exercise can improve your mood and energy levels. Examples of this include walking and prenatal yoga. Exercise can help you stay fit during pregnancy, improve circulation, and elevate your mood. Talk about your feelings. Discuss your worries and feelings with a support group, your partner, or your friends. It can sometimes be comforting to just talk about your experiences. Baby's development at 7 weeks. As your body adapts to being 7 weeks pregnant, the baby you are expecting is growing and developing quickly as well. Size. At 7 weeks pregnant, your baby is about the size of a blueberry, with a crown to rump length of 0.51 inches, 1.3 centimeter. Organs and systems. The brain, heart, and nervous system are among the major organs and systems that are still developing. Limb buds. Little limb buds that will eventually grow into arms and legs are beginning to emerge. Features on the face. The baby's mouth, nose, and eyes are starting to take shape. Heartbeat. Your baby's heartbeat, which usually ranges from 100 to 160 beats, may already be audible to ultrasound technology. Movement. Your baby is beginning to move, albeit very little movements that you won't be able to detect just yet. Emotional journey. Being pregnant is a journey, both physically and emotionally. You might feel a variety of things, such as happiness and excitement or fear and doubt. It's critical to practice self-compassion and acknowledge that feeling overwhelmed occasionally is common. Excitement and expectation. Many women feel a sense of excitement and anticipation when they think about what lies ahead for their developing child. Fear and uncertainty. It's normal to worry about your unborn child's health and welfare as well as the adjustments and difficulties that come with being pregnant. Developing a bond with your infant. During the 7th week of pregnancy, some women start to feel a connection with their unborn child, even though physical manifestations are still developing. Support system. Seek assistance from your family, friends, and partner. Stress and anxiety can be reduced by talking to others about your thoughts and feelings. Prenatal visits and medical care. The beginning prenatal appointment with your healthcare provider is probably going to occur around the 7th week of your pregnancy, or maybe even later. They are going to double-check pregnancy, confirm the pregnancy with a physical examination, which may include an ultrasound and/or pelvic exam. Examine your medical history and talk about any pre-existing conditions or concerns. Offer guidance. To promote a healthy pregnancy, provide guidance on prenatal care, diet, and lifestyle modifications. Planning ahead. When your pregnancy progresses past 7 weeks, keep the following in mind. Vitamins for pregnancy. As directed by your healthcare provider, keep taking folic acid containing prenatal vitamins along with other vital nutrients. Dietary habits. Eat a balanced diet and talk to your doctor about any dietary restrictions or issues. Workout. Engage in physical activity that has been authorized by your healthcare provider, with an emphasis on preserving your general health and fitness. Plan of birth. Start considering your preferences for the labor and delivery process, including the location of the birth and any special requests you may have. Embracing the journey of being 7 weeks pregnant involves more than just understanding physical changes, it's about accepting support, guidance, and expert care. With the knowledge and assistance offered by IVF specialists, you are not alone on this path. Their compassionate approach and commitment to excellence ensure that you are well prepared to face this transformative phase with hope, strength, and confidence. As you anticipate the arrival of your little one, remember that IVF is more than a treatment. It's a partner in your parenthood journey, dedicated to helping you achieve your dream of building a family. Their ongoing support can provide the reassurance and clarity you need during this emotional and exciting time. By staying informed, maintaining a proactive mindset, and following personalized medical guidance, you can navigate both the joys and challenges of pregnancy with greater confidence. Every pregnancy is unique, and your healthcare provider plays a vital role in offering advice tailored to your needs. Above all, cherish each moment of this incredible experience. These early weeks are the foundation of a beautiful journey ahead. Trust in the process, rely on the care available to you, and move forward with a heart full of hope and anticipation. Conclusion. The 7th week of pregnancy is a time of rapid development for your baby and noticeable changes in your own body. As you move through this stage, it's essential to focus on developing healthy habits that support both your physical and emotional well-being. Eating a balanced diet, getting adequate rest, managing stress, and avoiding harmful substances like alcohol and tobacco can make a significant difference in your pregnancy journey. This is also the time when hormonal shifts can bring about symptoms such as fatigue, nausea, breast tenderness, and mood swings. While these changes are normal, every woman's experience is unique. It's important to listen to your body and seek support, whether from your partner, family, friends, or a healthcare provider, whenever you feel overwhelmed or unsure. Your baby, though still tiny, is growing quickly. Organs are forming, facial features are beginning to develop, and the heart is beating steadily. Staying informed about these incredible milestones can deepen your connection with your unborn child and enhance your pregnancy experience. Remember, pregnancy is not just a physical process, it's also an emotional and spiritual journey. Taking time for self-care, bonding with your baby, and preparing mentally for the changes ahead are just as important as monitoring physical health. As you continue on this beautiful path toward parenthood, embrace each moment with care and gratitude. The steps you take now lay the foundation for a healthy pregnancy and a strong start for your baby. Trust your journey and celebrate each week as a meaningful step forward. Frequently asked questions. What are common symptoms at 7 weeks pregnant? Mood swings, weariness, breast tenderness, nausea, morning sickness, food aversions or cravings, frequent urination, and possibly mild abdominal cramps are common symptoms. Is it normal to feel so tired during the 7th week of pregnancy? Yes, at this point it's normal to feel more tired than usual. Hormonal fluctuations can add to your exhaustion, as your body is exerting a lot of energy to sustain the developing embryo. How can I maintain my health at 7 weeks pregnant? Some advice is to take folic acid containing prenatal vitamins, eat a nutritious, well-balanced diet, stay active with light exercise like walking or prenatal yoga, if your doctor approves, get enough sleep, and manage stress. What is happening with my baby's development at 7 weeks pregnant? The brain, heart, and nervous system are among the major organs and systems that are starting to form. Facial features such as the mouth, nose, and eyes are beginning to take shape, and limb buds are beginning to emerge. Can I hear my baby's heartbeat at 7 weeks pregnant? At this point, an ultrasound can be used to find your baby's heartbeat. The normal heart rate is between 100 and 160 beats. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, stay healthy, stay informed, and enjoy your pregnancy journey. See you in the next video.